Transformers in AI. A neural network architecture that processes data by learning which parts of the input are most important, using a mechanism called attention. Think of it like reading a sentence where your brain automatically focuses on keywords to understand meaning. Transformers do the same with data, weighing each piece of information based on its relevance to other pieces, all at once rather than sequentially. This parallel processing makes them exceptionally fast and effective. ChatGPT uses transformers to generate human-like text by analyzing billions of word relationships simultaneously. When you type a prompt, the transformer identifies which words in your question matter most and generates responses by predicting the most relevant next words. Transformers build upon deep learning principles to achieve this sophisticated language understanding. Transformers revolutionized AI because they can handle longer contexts and train faster than previous architectures. They power language translation, image generation, protein folding predictions, and virtually every major AI breakthrough since 2017. Their attention mechanism became the foundation for modern artificial intelligence systems. Transformers in AI.